What is going on, Mullen fam? Welcome back to another video. Put some lightning bolts down in the comment section if you have not been out here feeding the fear. The amount of effort to get retail investors out of this stock is insane lately. I appreciate you guys out there for giving me a shot, watching my videos day in and day out. Try to keep you all prepared on the manipulation that's going on in the stock and try to get you at some sort of ease, because not everybody are seeing the charts the way we see them. Not everybody are following the right people. A lot of things these other channels are saying I have already said in my previous videos days and weeks ago, preparing my subscribers for the utmost worst case scenarios and as well as the best case scenarios. So be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, especially if you're a new or returning visitor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos coming from me, because your boy called that bounce off 18 cents. Yeah, you know your boy called that. But I don't usually like to do that. I don't like to try to be right or wrong. I just try to give y'all my thoughts and opinions and what it's looking like for me. I just know a lot of people out there, when they see that type of move in the day, they thinking, oh, news about to drop, somebody knows something. But when I have been preparing you guys on this channel is that also look at the technical situation on the play. You know, Mullen has been suppressed down like crazy. Like, this price is like completely compressed down. So you got to notice these types of pops are going to happen, which I've been telling my viewers. Now let's take a look at it, because I know some people are out there talking about, oh, it's just going to come straight back down. Oh, it's not at 50 cents, so it's not really doing nothing. With that type of attitude might not get you too far in the stock market. But you got to understand that we are in a bottoming process on Mullen Automotive stock. You'll see that we did get that pop right here off of 18 cents as we've been discussing. And this is my line that I drew up the previous day around the 1845 mark, 1850 mark. Yes, they cracked it down just a hair, but 18 cent held strong, and we got that push in price action up. And you see the TTM squeeze is also curled up, and the MACD on the daily chart is going green. Take a look at the weekly chart. You see the weekly MACD is still green after months and months of price suppression and shorting, naked shorting all the way down. The weekly MACD is still green. TTM squeeze is trying to turn positive here. It's been highly compressed down. So that is a good sign, still moving forward. And as far as the press releases on Mullen Automotive, I told y'all don't worry about that, because the CEO has been silent and we're still able to get technical moves such as the one towards end of day today. And you know, we also been talking about Mullen Automotive trying to form this bottom. In bottoming stocks, it says if a stock has bottomed out, it means that it reached its low point and could be in the early stages of an upward trend. Often a bottom can be a signal for a reversal. Investors often see a bottom as an opportunity to purchase a stock when the security is underpriced or trading at its lowest value. So that is what Mullen Automotive is trying to do here. And looking at the 4-hour chart, you can see that the MACD turned green here, and also the TTM squeeze. You can see that these red candles are no longer light red candles. They are two dark red candles, indicating that it is trying to turn green here. So when I told you guys TTM squeeze, that means when the TTM squeeze goes green, it indicates a sharp spike to the upside. When TTM squeeze goes red, it indicates sharp knives to the downside. So right now we are getting ready to go green. In my last video, I told you guys that Mullen Automotive could bounce off of this 18 cent level and go towards the 20 cent level again. And just exactly what it did. Following the end of this trading day, it bounced up in the 20 cents per share range. So I appreciate you guys for giving me a chance, watching my videos and following your boy, because this journey has taught me a lot, and I have no issues whatsoever sharing my knowledge that I have with other people, making sure you're out there not feeding the fear, not falling into these traps that these short sellers and market makers are out there constantly on a day-to-day basis, trying to get over on retail investors, the hard-working, regular people out there trying to set their families up for their future. Because we know the upcoming dates for Mullen Automotive. We know the next big thing is December 20. They're going to treat that as a deadline. So we also know that the 23rd is a shareholder meeting for voting for a reverse split and so on and so forth. So we know the dates that are coming up, but I want you guys to understand this. The reason, to my opinion, the reason that these short sellers and market makers, these paid bashers, they keep doubling down on these short shares, keep going to zero shares available to borrow. These bashers out here in full force, trying to, spread FUD. They've even attacked my accounts, which I'm not fazed by that at all. I know Mullen is a good company, and I know that it is highly suppressed down. What they want to do is rush this CEO into calling a reverse stock split on Mullen Automotive before this bottoming process sets in. And they'll do that by any means, putting 68% of retail orders into the dark pool, trapping them there, naked shorting at all-time high. If today wasn't a testament that retail investors are holding this stock, then I don't know what else to tell you, because they could have very well broke below 18 cents if they was to get retail investors to feed the fear. Now, looking forward, going into the rest of these days in the trading week and seeing that the price did pop up towards 20 cents and hovering in the 19 cents level and some change, expect for them to try to attack that 18-cent level again. And this bottoming process war is not over yet. So be ready for more manipulation in the coming days, and don't be out there feeding the fear. That's all I got for this video. Hope you find this information valuable. Share it with somebody else, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.
Go. Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still coming.